Please direct your attention to the south end zone to thank the flyover crews from our own California Army National Guard that flew over Levi Stadium at the conclusion of today's national anthem. These UH-60 Blackhawk crews are from aviation facilities in Fresno and Sacramento and are members of the 40th Combat Aviation Brigade with a proud history of service to the state of California and to our country. California Army National Guard flight crews are frequently called to conduct search and rescues and to respond to natural disasters, including wildfires, floods, and earthquakes. The regiment stands ready to defend our country and have supported several overseas combat deployments since the conclusion of the Vietnam War. Let's give a big round of applause to the 40th Combat Aviation Brigade. And a special thank you to the California Army National Guard.